Hello everyone, quick update on Leatherman's pliers, because I've only heard about this issue, but I didn't encounter it until yesterday. I had have this Swiss Plus Tech 17 in 1, and there was a pocket clip over here, and I want to remove it. I did remove it, but when I was trying to put back the screws, the bolts, my torque bits broke. I guess I get cheap ones, and the only way I thought that I may put it back together is by screwing with the pliers, and I had these two. That's my Leatherman curl, and I have it for like a little bit over 3 months, and just it got quite smooth, like knife, and I use it as a EDC. I'm a truck driver and I have it in my pocket pretty much all the time, and it's very lightweight, 200 grams. It's even lighter than the Spirit X, and I use it with the clip. And like I said, I had these two with me. I didn't go and take the big pliers to the garage because I didn't want to put that much torque, because I didn't want it to snap the bolt. So what I did is just I grabbed one side with my Spirit X. No, I think I did I do it the other way? Yeah, you can see I have it with, and you can see I squeezed it quite hard, and actually I squeezed from this side as well, and I didn't put much torque because, like I said again, didn't want it to, but you can see again the pliers here, they're very stiff, and I'll put again a lot of pressure on the Victorinox. You can see no issues. Have some metal on the teeth over here, and I'll just squeeze now to see. Actually, I'll use only one hand. I don't want to put any much pressure on this. I just use it as a ground to use the pliers, but yeah, it's getting even stiffer. I don't know what's the reason. It's getting slightly smoother when you open it and close it several times, but still, that's my wave. I have it a little bit over 2 years. I'll see how the wave will cope with that. Again, I'll use only one hand. It is a bit stiffer than before, but still nothing like the curl. I'll do it one more time with 2 hands now. Yeah, well, it is slightly stiffer, but I'll do it one. Yeah. Oh, it gives a lot of tension to open and close pliers. Two hands now, and yeah, way stiffer. Okay. You can see the Swiss tool ever since I have it, I got it, it's like that, and I've never had issues actually with, and nothing. Do it again with the Spirit X. change. And I have this Bond. It's brand new. I never used it. Let's see now. Wow. It was way smoother, and now again it is very stiff. Yeah, you can see. And this is becoming the reason more and more often when I need to use the tools in the garden, in the garage, to usually when I'm at home I go for the Swiss tool. It's more heavy duty, and as many times as I had a wave in my pocket, I had to put a screw in the wall, in the garden, in the wood, and yeah, the wave doesn't have the all to pierce. And another thing, for kids' toys, so many times I had to use this one, either this one or this one. And yeah, the last time in our bathroom I had to change the light bulb, and to undo the light, it's like very recessed. And even with the wave or the curl, I made a bit that it's very narrow and long, but I never have the sheet with me. And for me, multi-tool is what you have in the pocket. But yeah, that's another conversation. But yeah, I love them all. I'm a bit disappointed with Leatherman lately. Yeah, the wave is definitely better. I don't know, these two are fairly new. I don't know what's the reason, but yeah, just have it in mind when you make a purchase. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.